When it comes to our skin, there's two things you should be keeping an eye on, as it could indicate that you have high blood pressure, and potentially diabetes. In the UK, the most common type of diabetes is type 2. This occurs when the body does not produce enough insulin. According to the NHS, people can live with the condition for years without knowing, so the sooner you can spot the signs, the better. The reason for this is because the symptoms people get early on tend to be generalized. In addition to this, in some cases, there are no symptoms at all. However, as reported by The Mirror, one dermatologist says that there is a subtle sign that can show up on your skin. Dr. Jeremy Brower, a dermatology surgeon based in New York, told HuffPost that person's skin texture is a telltale sign of good or bad skin health, and there's one sign he often looks at in people's hands and feet that can be a clear sign there's something going on with their blood sugar levels. A sign that could indicate high blood sugar or diabetes is thickened or swollen skin, with the health experts stating this condition is called digital sclerosis and is caused by high blood pressure. The expert shared, this usually appears on the fingers, hands and feet, and it's also common for these areas to have reduced pain and sensation. Join the Daily Record WhatsApp community. Get the latest news sent straight to your messages by joining our WhatsApp community today. You'll receive daily updates on breaking news as well as the top headlines across Scotland. No one will be able to see who is signed up, and no one can send messages except the Daily Record team. All you have to do is click here if you're on mobile, select Join Community and you're in. If you're on a desktop, simply scan the QR code above with your phone and click Join Community. We also treat our community members to special offers, promotions, and adverts from us and our partners. If you don't like our community, you can check out anytime you like. To leave our community, click on the name at the top of your screen and choose Exit Group. If you're curious, you can read our privacy notice. One of the most unusual symptoms people can face is itchy genitals, which can impact both men and women when it comes to diabetes. If you're sexually active, you might think it could be an STD. However, if you've been tested and can rule that out, it could be a sign you have diabetes. Diabetes.co.uk claims that genital itching can be a sign of diabetes because of the increased blood glucose levels in those with the condition. The high blood sugar creates ideal conditions for yeast to grow, raising the chances of getting a yeast infection in your genital area. The site states, diabetes can also cause a higher glucose content in the urine, another extremely suitable place for yeast to thrive. Peeing more than usual, feeling thirsty all the time, feeling very tired, losing weight without trying to, cuts or wounds taking longer to heal, blurred vision. If you have any of the symptoms of type 2 diabetes, or you're worried you have a higher risk of getting type 2 diabetes, you should see a GP. The earlier diabetes is diagnosed and treatment started, the better, as early treatment reduces your risk of other health problems. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.